Happy morning, all of you. Welcome back in Shri Ganesh Online Education Series. Dear students, in last week we have completed our unit test exam. In that unit test exam, you have solved all the question papers properly. All of you have sent your papers to us on our mobile numbers, and we are checking your papers also. In your papers, we found small mistakes, and those small mistakes we have to avoid. You should understand that where you have done mistake and what mistake you did. You should understand it, so next time you will overcome those mistakes. Okay, so for that purpose today I am here with solutions of unit test first, of EVS second. Okay, so see, our first question was fill in the blanks, and it was for 2 marks. First question is there: the science that tries to understand past events is called dash dash. See, very simple it is. As a definition, many times I have told you this one. In your textbook we have underlined it also. Yeah. So see, the science that tries to understand past events is called history. What is the answer? History. And for the answer we have to give double underline, history. Okay. Second one, the period before the common era is known as the time before Christ or BC. But we can see BC. See, before common era. This B and C. This we have to take BC. BC means before common era or before Christ. Okay. Then arrange question number 2. Arrange the events given below in a chronological order. Arrange the events given below in a chronological order. Chronological order means in their serial order, how it happened. So you see what is given. Water bodies appeared on the Earth's surface. Second question, the sun and the planets were formed. Third one, protozoa appeared in water. An enormous cloud of hot gases and dust formed in the space. So see, here now like this 4 questions are there, or 4 situations or 4 events are there. Which is happened first from all these 4th we have to find out. Which is happened first? So see, this 4th one, an enormous cloud of hot gases and dust formed in the surface. We have seen hot gases and enormous clouds. Sorry, hot gases and dust was formed because of enormous clouds. Okay, so this one first. So in this 4th box you have to write 1 number. Now find out how many are remain. 3, and from those 3 which event happened secondly? See, the sun and the planets were formed, and because of this what happened? Sun and planets were formed. So for 2 number you answer 2. Now 1 number and 3rd number, these 2 are remain. So from this, which one is 3rd? See, water bodies appeared on the Earth's surface. Planets are formed. After that, water bodies appeared on Earth's surface. And now what is remain? It's free for us. Protozoa appeared in water. See, first water bodies are found, and then only protozoa will appear in water. Correct? If water will not be there, then how protozoa will appear in water? No? Okay. So like this question was very simple. Just logic you have to put there, and then you can solve the answers. Now question number 3. Complete the chart given below. Now your downside one chart was given to you. See, time in history. What is given here? Time in history. See here, prehistoric period and historic period. What are the answers? Prehistoric period and historic periods. And what clue was given? No written records are available. In which time written records are not available, that time is called prehistoric period. and here written records available. That is called historic period. Okay. So like this, third question was also very simple, and here easily you are going to get 2 marks. Okay. So now question number 4 we are going to see. Did you understand all these things? See, what you have to do now, as soon as our paper is completed, you will copy again this answer sheet in your notebook, classwork notebook, as a homework, and you have to send it to me again on WhatsApp group, not personally. How you will send? You will send it on WhatsApp group as your homework. Okay. Now here we will solve question number 4. So see here question number 3. Answer each question in one sentence. Our first question is, how is the first century of Common Era written? How is the first century of Common Era written? So answer is, see, how I told you techniques we have to use. 70% part in answer we have to take from question only. See, the first century of Common Era is written. See, the first century of the Common Era is written as, and this much our answer, as 1 to 100 AD. AD means Anno Domini. How we used to write it? 1 to 100 AD. Now second question, where did the protozoa appeared first? Where did the protozoa appeared first? Answer is, the protozoa appeared first in water. If you have used your brain in question number 2 only, this answer was there. Those they have used their brain properly, they were going to find this answer. Okay. Now question number 4. Answer the following question in brief. Any one. Answer the following question in brief. Any one. First question is, what is it that puts obstacle in the way of village development? What is it that puts obstacles in the way of village development? Means why villages are not able to make development, what problems they are facing, that we have to write here. Okay. So see, answer, individual or collective actions of human beings have consequence. Individual or collective actions of human beings have consequence. Some actions result in an environment that is not favorable for the progress of society. See, some actions result in an environment that is not favorable for the progress of society. And the obstacles in the way of village development are, now here obstacles in the way of village development are, people in the village do not work together. People in the village do not work together. And second one is, people in the village do not help each another. People in the village do not help each another. Now you know these things very well. Most of you are living in village, so these all things are well known to you. Okay, so this question was there in exam. Okay, understood? Now only last question is remain, which was or for this first question. Okay, I'll write it. So see here, our question 2 number, what are the units of measuring time? Answer is, a second is smallest unit of measuring time. See, very simple. I have told you that we have to understand and then we have to write it. Many times I have explained this answer. A second is smallest unit of measuring time. 60 seconds make a minute. 60 minutes make an hour. 60 minutes make an hour. 24 hours make a day. And 7 days make a week. 7 days make a week. 2 weeks make a fortnight. 2 weeks make a fortnight. And 4 weeks make a month. 4 weeks make a month. And 12 months make a year. See, step by step we are going ahead. And 100 years make a century. And 10 centuries make a millennium. 10 centuries make a millennium. Like this, units are there of measuring time. It's very simple. Step by step we have to go ahead. One step is depend on another. Okay? If you learn this, you will make mistake. If you understand it, then you will not make mistake. I have told you. So like this, your unit test first papers solutions were there. Okay? Do you understand all these things? Very good. Now what you have to do? You have to copy all these answers in your notebook once again as a homework. Okay? And you have to send it on school's group as your homework. Okay? And see, all have to see your videos regularly, because again in next month your terminal exam will be there or month end exam will be there. 2 exams you are going to take, one month end exam and again one terminal exam. So you have to face 2 examinations. So be ready for it. Okay? Thank you very much.